Cześć! Witaj w Let's Speak Polish. Learn Polish by listening. Ucz się polskiego słuchając. Listen and repeat after me. Słuchaj i powtarzaj ze mną. Today we'll continue with the topic of food and drinks. In this lesson we'll focus on fruit, the names and pronunciation in Polish. Listen carefully, repeat after me and try to copy the rhythm and pronunciation. Gotowi? Zaczynamy! Ready? Let's start! Fruit. Owoce. O-wo-ce. Owoce. Apple. Jabłko. Jab-ł-ko. Jabłko. In fast speech, it's often pronounced jabłko. 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 Banana. Banan. 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 Pear. Gruszka. 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 Strawberry. Truskawka. 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 Plum. Śliwka. 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 Cherry. Wiśnia. 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 Currant. Porzeczka. 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 Gooseberry. Agrest. 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 Peach. Brzoskwinia. 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 Apricot. Morela. 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 Lemon. Cytryna. 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 Orange. Pomarańcza. 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 Pomelo. 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 Avocado. 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 Pineapple. Ananas. 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 Watermelon. Arbuz. 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 Mandarin. Mandarynka. 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 Raspberry. Malina. 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 Blackberry. Jeżyna. 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 Grapes. Winogrona jasne, ciemne. Winogrona jasne, ciemne. Winogrona jasne, ciemne. Świetna robota! Great job! You've completed another lesson. Next week we'll continue with this topic and focus on the names of vegetables in Polish. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As usual, you can find more materials for this lesson on our website, including a downloadable vocabulary list to help you practice anytime. See you in the next video! Do zobaczenia w kolejnym odcinku Let's Speak Polish!